This week we focus on preparing the V2 hard fork with all the software on track for readiness by end of the year and activation expected in early Q2 of 2025. Work has progressed on finalizing RHP full support in both Rentd and Hostd, bringing improved performance, greater scalability, and major usability enhancements for renters and hosts. As a user, you enjoy faster data access on the SI network, enhanced streaming and seeking, direct browser uploads and downloads without extra software, and the ability to delegate data repairs to other nodes. The new rent-to-host protocol sounding pretty good, right?
Yes.
But that's not all. In Explorer-D, V2 support is finally complete.
Nice.
The V2 ready version of SciScan is also set to launch by end of the year, with the developers already being able to test the API on Anagami, our public V2 testnet. And with the V2 support complete in Explorer-D, we began migrating SciScan from SciCentral's legacy Explorer to our open source Explorer-D platform, ensuring for a more robust and transparent foundation. That's right, so make sure to like, subscribe and follow our socials to stay up to date. Don't miss out.